Today we are making our turkey cupcake cake. We are making this for Thanksgiving. You can impress all your friends and family by baking and making this super cool turkey cupcake cake. If this is your first time here, my name is Chef Jelly, and in this channel we learn cool recipes and cool food stuff. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. We're gonna go right into it, so let's go into the kitchen.
Prepare your favorite cupcakes. And arrange into the silhouette of a turkey. And there you go. There we have some prepared buttercream, and we're gonna section it off into 4 parts. The red one, which is a little more than the other 3. That's the red food coloring. We're gonna add first 1 drop, and we're gonna mix it in. Because it's white on red, we're going to add more drops so the color can intensify. The same go to the rest of the other one. That's in the orange color, the yellow color, and the brown color. 1 drop and intensify, 2 drops and even more. Mix your colors together and you have all your colors ready to go. There we have a piping bag. We're gonna size our tips and we're going to prepare your piping bags for our colorful turkey. There we have the rose piping tool. That's what we're gonna use to make our feathers. We're gonna make a bag first with the red buttercream. We're gonna test it out inside so that, we don't make a oopsies on the cake. We're gonna fan it out just like feathers all around the cupcake's silhouette. Those are our first layer of feathers. Play around with those feathers until you can get the silhouette desired. After you're done with your first layer, go ahead with the second layer, leaving about 1 inch off, so that way it looks like it has more feathers. Filling in any little gaps from the first layer that you missed. Next, we have the orange layer of feathers. We're going to start from the bottom and work our way all the way around, going on top of the second layer of red. Those holes that are there, that's okay. The buttercream will not cave in because we made it to be stiff. And with the second layer, do the same and fill in any little gaps that you left from the orange. Go around with your yellow and do the same and go on top of your yellow feathers with your second layer, filling in any gaps. And if you think your buttercream is going to fall in through the cracks, don't worry, it is not going to fall through. Our turkey is starting to look alive. It could fly now. It has feathers. Now we're going to give it the body. Make a brown circle in the middle and spread it out to desired body shape. I use a spatula to smooth out our turkey's body. Now moving on to the head. We're going to do the same as the body and fan it out. Now we moved on to the neck. Make it to the desired length and flatness you'd like it. These are the wings. Just as before, we're going to fan them out into wing shape. With our handy spatula, we are going to make it to the shape that we'd like it to. At this point, we can add our details. Our first detail is our beak. Using the same tip from the feathers, we are going to make our beak shape. And we're going to use our spatula to make it finer. Here is our little tongue. And with the fine writing tip, we're going to make our tongue. And that is our giblet. With the same writing tip, we're going to make the giblet descend down from the beak to the body. And at this point, you can fix anything that you see that's missing, like a little bit of yellow feathers are missing there. And we move on to our feet with the orange writing tip. These decorations are a series of lines and circles. It's pretty simple. These eyes were store-bought. They can be found in the candy section. And then we place them into our turkey to give it some life. And that is all. Look how cute! This is a perfect centerpiece for your Thanksgiving dessert party that you'll be going to. You can also impress your friends. Ta-da!
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and comment below for other recipes that you'd like to see. For more daily updates, and if you want to know more about me and see what happens to me on a daily basis, follow me on Instagram at Chef Jellies with an S. For more cool recipes like this, tune in next week.